ஹலோ நண்பா. இந்த வீடியோவில் இந்த வீக்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். 29th November, which country has successfully test-fired ballistic missiles in 1 year? Pakistan. Indian Air Force has received 2 Mirage 2000 fighter aircraft from which country? From France. Who represented India in 13th ASEM Summit? M. Venkaiah Naidu. Who has written his new book, Contested Lands India, China and Boundary Dispute? Maruf Raza. Who has been elected as a representative of India to Executive Committee of Interpol recently? Praveen Sinha. Extra question: who has won the National Blind Cricket Tournament? Andhra Pradesh. 13th November. Which bank has partnered with Amazon Pay UPI for transactions? Yes Bank. Moody's has estimated India's GDP growth rate to be what percent in 2022? 9.3 percentile. Which state cabinet has approved new sports policy? Uttarakhand. Equestus SFB partnered with whom to launch Go branded credit card? HDFC. Which ministry has launched the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav app? Ministry of Culture. Extra question from GK: expansion of IMF, International Monetary Funds. 1st December. In which state India's first grass conversion area has been developed? Uttarakhand. Whereas Indian Railways building the world's highest bridge? Manipur. Which state government has changed the name of Minto Hall? Madhya Pradesh. Defense Acquisition Council has approved the mass production of AK-203 rifles with which country? With Russia. Which state's Malkapur Urban Cooperative Bank has been banned by RBI? Maharashtra. Extra question from GK: which smartphone company has recently made the India's first 5G call? Oppo. 2nd December. In which state 12 agreements worth more than 40,000 crore have been signed? At Gujarat. Who has recently launched its new communication satellite Jiang ID? China. Which state government has recently passed a bill to levy green tax on vehicles? Andhra Pradesh government. India, Sri Lanka and which country has organized Colombo Security Conference for the first time? Maldives. Who has become the non-executive director general of Hero MotoCorp? Ranjish Kumar. Extra question from GK: which physicist co-written relativity theory of manuscript sold for $1.3 million? Albert Einstein. 4th December. Which country has launched Future Soldier modernization plan to increase its military presence in the world? UK. Which state has launched India's first certified organic fruit kiwi? Arunachal Pradesh. Which state has become the largest manufacturing hub of India? Gujarat. Who has released the book Democracy, Politics and Governance? Dr. Surya Prakash. Which state is India to become the first to start ropeway services? Varanasi. Extra question from GK: who has become the first female president of Barbados? Sandra Mason. 5th December, Sunday. Which state minister had launched unique face recognition for pensioners? Jitendra Singh. Who had written the autobiography The Ambuja Story? Narottam Sheksharia. Which country has stopped in the production of plastic waste? USA. Who has won the 7th Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Award? V. Praveen Rao. Which bank has tied up with Usha International to empower women? SBI. Extra question from GK: in which state as Pakushar festival has been recently celebrated after 12 years? Jammu and Kashmir. 3rd December. Which country has separated from the United Kingdom and became a fully republic country? Barbados. Which state's policy has launched the Call Your Cop mobile app? Nagaland. Where will be the 7th Indian International Science Festival to be held? At Goa. Which country will get the world's first floating city by 2025? South Korea. Who has recently released the book Indian Innings: The Journey of Indian Cricket from 1947? Ayaz Memos. Extra question from GK: expansion of NPC, National Productivity Council. ஸோ இந்த வீக் எனக்கு கரெக்டாக பேச தான் நண்பா. நீங்கள் நம்ம சேனல் புதுசாக தான் மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோ யூஸில் இருந்தால் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள்.